some?
Yes, please.
What time is it?
Now it's 11:30.
11:30.
Yeah.
And we have been walking since 8 o'clock.
Yes.
Only uphill.
Yeah.
Mati.
Mati. Always Mati. Tala down.
And there is no view.
Yeah. Close.
Hmm?
Close.
Clouds.
Yes.
Good shoes.
Good. I like these shoes.
I have good shoes too.
Yes.
What here? Leech.
This problem.
Bloedzuiger.
Raju is sitting.
Tired.
Hello friends, how are you?